Hello, today we are solving October 2024 paper Unit 2 question number 5 part D. Evaluate the performance of a labor for TopKrust PLC for the month of September 2024. Now the labor performance is determined by calculating labor efficiency variance and labor rate variance. Okay, labor efficiency variance we had calculated here, it was favorable 1200 pounds, and labor rate variance was adverse. Okay, this had become adverse variance. Okay, at 462 pounds. Okay, now let's comment based on this. So we can see that the labor efficiency variance was 1200 pounds favorable, which shows that the labor force, they have worked very well. There was one worker short out of the total, still they have performed well. That is what it means. However, they had to work for extra 5 hours overtime to complete the work because one worker had left in the month of production. Okay, they have not performed well. Maybe we, because we can say that the labor rate variance had increased by 462 adverse. So this was due to the increase of 40 pence per hour that was asked by the, when they did a strike here. Okay, so that was not. However, we can say that they responded, that the labor efficiency completed the job. Okay, and even though one worker had left, they worked overtime and completed the job. Okay, under the budget. In conclusion, you can also calculate the labor variance, which is the difference between the labor efficiency variance and the labor rate variance. So we can see the efficiency was much greater than the rate difference. So variance that had happened, okay, between the actual and the budgeted, and so it is a favorable labor variance, which shows that the remaining workers, who were the 7 workers, had performed well, and they were able to also